here, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and it'll alert you for every time I post a new video. But do you guys remember in the last video, I was telling you guys that I wanted to recreate this look that I saw on someone else's page, and the dress was hella expensive, and I think it was like $2,300, and I'm like, Karen's not paying it. So I just happened to be in a thrift store and I saw this cute nightgown and I thought I could make it a dress. Then I went on Amazon and I purchased these little feathers. I went and got me a glue gun, and I'm going to recreate that dress. So come on, I'm gonna show you how I did it. So here I have my glue gun and I'm just gonna like bust it open. I should have like had it open already. And I just purchased this from Joann's Fabric. I went and got some glue guns because you're gonna need some glue guns to go inside the glue gun. So I'm gonna take my shirt and I want to apply it in the sleeves. So I wanted to kind of like go around like this much, and like this is the look like I'm kind of going for. So let me see, let me put it around the bottom first, because first of all, I'm not a seamstress or anything like that. So I'm just gonna put it around. I'm sorry. Can you guys see? Sorry. So I'm just gonna kind of put it around because it actually has like little lining. So if I wanted to like put it on the outside, I could, but I don't really want to because I don't really like, I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. But I don't think that's the look I'm going for. I think I want to do it in the inside. So I am going to put it in the inside. So I plugged up the hot gun. So I am going to insert my glue inside the gun, and then it has to heat up on its own. I hope I don't make a mess because I don't really have, I guess I can have this little thing here where I can kind of use this as like a protection thingy. And then I'm gonna, first of all, should I do it in the inside? Yeah. Let's be smart. Got that out. Okay, there we go. So we're going to just kind of and we're just gonna do that around. Just take it around, and I think I want to do it like twice. Oh shit, sorry. So I'm gonna just my glue gun. go around with the second layer. And I just blew some glue there. So I'm just gonna attach it on top of what I already created. And make sure you push in hard so that the glue kind of like tacks on to the material. You can get like a really, you can feel it, like get a really tight fit. So you make sure that it doesn't come apart, because I did have some pieces that came off and I had to re-glue it. So don't forget to like secure it really tight until it dries. And then like, see, I just have excess here that it just easily just comes right off. And then I'm not really worried about it too much because it's in the inside, so you're not really gonna see it. So I'm just gonna repeat that around, and then I'm gonna do the other sleeve as well. Okay, now I am finished. And let's see what we got. Like, I'm so scared. It's like still warm. I'm so afraid to flip it around. Like, I gotta be super careful. I'm just gonna pull it around. And you know, with the hot glue gun, it's like dries like instantly. Just make sure you just squeeze it tight to secure it. Cause I found like when I didn't do that, it came right apart. So, but when I made sure I squeezed it tight and then secured it, then it stayed. All right, here we go. Look, it's cute. All right, let's try it. I'm just going to pair it with my Valentino belt. And this is kind of the look I was going for. So super cute. I don't know if you can see it in its entirety, so see if you guys can get like a better look. This is the look I was definitely going for. I love the sleeves. I love what I did to it. Like, not too much. I didn't want too much. I just did 2 layers, and it's exactly the look I was looking for, and it came out perfect. So see y'all, and don't forget, comment below and tell me what you think.